What is up, guys? I'm a little bit sick, so if I have to pause the video up here, I'm probably going to get some water or clearing my throat or something. But I want to discuss it's kind of like a tool that I made. I made it out of bash scripts using the alias key commands, and it's pretty cool because if you leave your computer in real life, you can turn it on, and then you can just close it out and then walk away. And if you come back and you're greeted with this fail folder that'll direct you to, then you know someone tried to get into your machine. Same goes for if someone tried to brute force into your account and then uh, they did get access somehow, like they got an SSH access. Um, this will work for that too because it'll show the fail command. And I'm planning on implementing a log with it so that it logs everything that someone does and then it saves it to a text file. But as you can see, it would be really easy if someone had your IP and then they type in your IP right here, and then they say port 22, and they come right here, and then they say SSH, SSH. You don't even have to put port 22, and then they say they want the username as root, and then they're gonna choose a password list, and they just grab up a dictionary, and they can set this to like 10, and they can even set proxies, and they just come over here, click start, and it'll go ahead, and here in a minute it should start running a dictionary attack on the network. So as you can see, it's just trying all kinds of passwords right now. Um, so eventually, if your password isn't secure, the dictionary is going to pick it up. And once they pick it up, they can easily just use the SSH command, get in as you by using your root as the username and your password. But we're going to talk about the tool I made to try and prevent that. Not really prevent it, but kind of help defend against it if someone did get access by SSH. And if we cd into the sec directory, which is where I have it located, and we list it, um, give me just a second. Alright, so if we list the directory, we can see we have a fix, a make, actually I have two makes, a copy, a pro, and a sudo.sh. And there's also a .bashrc and a bashrc2 and a .pro in here. And as a brief summary, the make.sh is just telling it to copy it to the home directory in a folder called sec, and to basically give all these read-write executable access. Um, the sudo command is basically you take your alias keywords that you want to protect and you direct them to this. And whenever they try to run it, it's going to ask for a password. If they get it wrong, it's going to append certain alias keywords into the bashrc um, file so that they can't use them. And then, of course, the fix.sh is a command that's going to be appended to the bashrc file, and it's going to allow you to fix it in case someone does mess your try to tunnel in and get the password wrong. That way, you're not stuck because it's on your system. You need a way to fix it. And then the pro.sh is basically where if you get prompted from sudo and you enter it in correctly, it makes changes to the bashrc file to tell it to basically add in a new file over top of the bashrc that doesn't have any appended alias keywords, so that all the keywords are good. And what it's doing is it's gonna overwrite it until it start protecting those keywords, and it overwrites it with the .pro. As you can see, this is a bashrc file, and you can see it's only protecting the sudo keyword, and we got fix and pro. So let's go over like a little quick demonstration. Right now, if I open up a new terminal and type in sudo, you can see I'm getting prompted, but it's not an actual sudo prompt. I just made it look like one. And if they get the answer right, authentication is successful, open up a new terminal for the effects to take place. Now they can use sudo like they normally would. Um, Now right here, you want to be able to way to change it back to protect your computer. So you could type in pro, and it's just automatically starts protecting your computer. And you can still stay in this terminal session and use commands that are protected, like the sudo command. But anyone else that comes in after that will get prompted, as you can see here. And if they get the password wrong, then it's going to close out their session. If they're in SSH, it's going to completely close out their session. And it's going to bring them to this. If they try to get back in, it's going to bring them straight to this fail folder um, where they can not use any commands really. It's like they're using them. As you can see, we have a t.sh, and this is just for an example. It's got a bash script that tries to fix the current bash script so that we can use commands, and if we run that, it doesn't have any effect on our commands at all. So the only way to fix this from here is with our fix script that we made. We type in fix, enter in the password, open up a new session, and we're golden. We can do whatever we want now. And then we could simply type in pro to start protecting again, and we can still use our commands, or not yet. I forgot I had to do one more. As you can see, we can use it right here. Type in pro, starts protecting. We can still use sudo. Anyone new comes in and tries to use sudo, they get prompted. Now the root account, I password protected almost every command. If they try to run an rm, a cp, a cd, an l, an ls, a get a nano, a chmod, if they try to run any of that, they'll get password prompted, because sudo would be a stupid keyword to try to prevent someone that's a root account from using. Makes no sense. So it's kind of just a quick demonstration of the tool and kind of how it works, and if someone SSHs into your machine, it can help you out if you have the pro.sh running. Sorry about my voice. As I said, I'm sick, but figured I'd make this video. So everybody have a great day.